If you have different spaces, such as an inside and a pickup point, and want to set different prices for the same items based on the space where they are sold, unTill Air makes it easy with the special price feature. To enable this feature, go to Spaces in your back office and click the settings icon for the relevant space, such as the pickup point. Check the Use Special Price box and save your changes. Once the special price feature is enabled for the space, navigate to your articles and edit the price. Alongside the standard price, you'll now see a field for the special spaces price. Simply enter the desired price and click Save. Now, this article will be sold in the POS at the appropriate price for the space where you're operating.